Wipe your step. Let's spray your body first. Yep, back pocket.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Come here, Zara.
Come on, Vicky, help. Open it up. Open it up. Okay, hand me the bag and let me get the bug spray. Did you put it back already?
Nice.
Ooh, crunchy. Another thing. Just sit. Yeah. Hand me that other bag. This is gonna be so fun. But first, let's eat.
Sit up.
Huh? Can you play music on the phone that's next to you? Huh? Get your cup. Take one down, pass it around. Take one down, pass it around. And then some cookies. So, Mama, take. Okay, and then this is Mommy's. All right. Sprinkle your own chips. Get a little handful. Anybody ready for their juice now? So, Diggy, let me see your cup. Y'all, the history was behind it. That's why I grew up in church, but I'm not as the same religion as my grandmother and my mother is. So when you get older, pick Nick. Pick a nigga. Come, Mama. So what they used to do was auction us all. So the white people would hold a picnic because you would come and pick the nigga that you wanted. That's why a lot of people is like they don't fuck with it. That's why I say we go on nature dates. I just don't like the word. Come on. Let me taste some of your lemonade, Ma. It's good? It tastes like pop? Oh. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be. Maybe cheers.
Cheers to cookies.
Too many more nature dates. Hopefully you can still do this even when you guys are big girls. You can come hang out with your old lady for a little bit. By that time I'm gonna have a garden and we're gonna eat fresh fruit and veggies from my garden. Look up Marlon, say cheese. Where you at, Dick? Dick? Where you at, Mama? Where you at, twins? I want to be living with you. Oh my God, I could do this forever. How you gonna mess it up? It's just water. Oh God, please don't get sick.
You too woke. Maybe I'm not woke.
You too woke is crazy.
Switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know that, baby. I love you. You always do the
Oh, why your cat look like he's in water? I love it.
Harmony, why are you leaving? I'm gonna get these dollars.
Take it to us again. One together.
Bye.
Bye, Bookie.